Hello guys, so we're gonna make those little coconut rocher. So good. I used to make them this recipe when I was in apprentice, so I was like 15 years old, and that recipe stayed with me. But I'm not doing them very often, and since few weeks I've been making them again. It's so good. Especially when they come out of the oven, they're still crunchy on the outside, soft inside. After a day old, the crust goes off, so it's like all squishy. Still really good. Or you can put them back in the oven to crispy up the outside again. So I'm gonna double the recipe, but you can just do half of it. So I got 500 grams of desiccated coconut. In there I'm gonna add 300 of castor sugar, we got some melted butter there, 100 grams of melted butter, but we're not gonna put that yet. Flour, 100 grams of plain flour. Right, so that's all the dries. Sugar, coconut, flour. Let's give it a good mix. There. Now, golden syrup. Golden syrup, 80 grams, no, times 2, 160. That was lucky. And I'm gonna add some honey, but you don't have to. I'm gonna put 40 grams of honey. Yeah? In there we're gonna put the melted butter, 100 grams, and 6 eggs. In it. Okay, so let's mix it. You can still use your hand or use the spatula. Okay, until nicely and combined. No? Beautiful paste, yeah? Alright, so straight away we're gonna put them on the trays. So you're gonna see right now I'm dipping my spoon into water to make sure it's not too sticky. Well, that's it guys. I've made quite a lot actually, like 3 trays like that. It's pretty good. So I left it quite rough at the top, you know, it's not like totally round. You could, but those little bits coming out, like rough, will crispy up in the oven and color like golden brown. Okay, so I preheated the oven 180 and they're gonna go in until nice color. There is no timing. It's keep an eye, and as soon as they color nicely on top, check underneath with a spatula. If it's brown underneath, it's all good. Okay, see you in a minute. Guys, coconuts, they're ready. Oh, look at this! Wow! They've been, I'm telling you, they've been like 8 minutes. Or 10, something like that. So, we need to check the bottom of it. So, which nice and golden. I see all those little caramelized bits on top. So good. Well, I can tell you the bakery smell amazing. Well, if you like coconut, of course. That's it, guys. Those little coconuts. Which one I'm gonna get? Hard decision. This one. Right. I know what it tastes like, but I'm gonna test it for you. Can you hear the crunch? The inside is like so soft and buttery. They are really nice. And you have that bite of the coconut, makes you chew. Very good. I'm sure some of you is gonna ask me, oh, could we put vanilla? Yeah, of course, but it's nice to keep it natural, yeah? Coconut flavor. You have a little hint of honey, depends what kind of quality of honey you're gonna use, but I can taste it a bit, just a little bit. Delicious. Enjoy, guys.